Yes, as I told in my previous video, I told you like this is a very fundamental requisite for a parent bacterial cell to first Xerox a copy of DNA to give it to the two daughter cells. If not, the two daughter cells will never be called as daughter cells if they are different from the parent cell was the fundamental. I also told you this making a copy of genetic material to give it to two daughter cells is called as replication. Now you can see we have a picture here which says that this is a prokaryotic chromosome. So all of you know chromosome is the package of DNA during cell division, and we have a plasma membrane and a cell wall. Then duplication of chromosome. Can you see which was one copy here has become two copies here. Then later what is also dividing? The cytoplasm is also dividing. Then when cytoplasm divides it into two daughter cell, each daughter cell has got a copy of genetic material. Then this is complete binary fission. Then I told you that we call this as theta model, and this is put forth by John Kern, because when replication occurs it looks like letter theta. Now I am going to show you an image of bacterial replication. You can see here double stranded DNA unwinds at the replication origin. So the bacteria has, like how we have double stranded DNA, linear we have, whereas the bacteria has circular double stranded DNA. So I am going to add something else here, circular double stranded DNA. You can see it there. Then what happens at one particular point, it starts replicating. Now please carefully understand me. There were two strands. You can imagine one bangle into the other. Two strands, isn't it? Now where the replication starts, you can see origin of replication, where we see this green band. It is going to start making a copy from there. Now if you can see the second picture, the two strands separated at a point. Can you see? This looks like a ring, isn't it? The two circles of the ring are coming to the starting point and they split into two. Now when these two strands separate, as you can see, the new strand is being synthesized for each strand. So what happens? One strand will go in one direction, the other strand will go in other direction. So that within the same time, both the strands are copied simultaneously. You can see here, because at this point it looks like letter theta. It is called as theta model. And you can see how they are separating. So you join both of your hands like namaste and you start separating your fingers first. Okay, then start separating the middle part of both of your hands. Then start separating the lower part. By the time you completely open both your palms on either side, you will get a copy for each half in bacteria. Now please apply my analogy here. There are two strands in first pick. Like how I ask you to separate your palms, the two strands are separating at the tip. The replication is occurring within that. So this stage looks like the letter theta. That's why this is called as theta model. Now both the strands separate, like how you open both your palms from namaste position on either side, and for each half there is a new one synthesized. In this picture, the gray color strands are parent strand 1 and parent strand 2. And for each of the parent strand, you can see the red strand. This is daughter strand 1 and daughter strand 2. So by the end, I have the two-stranded DNA exactly like the parent, because the two strands of the parent split from one end like that of letter theta, and they completely opened in the same orientation as you can see in the picture. Okay, so two bangles twined, slowly you separate, last also they are still together. Then they separate, from there I will get these two. This is replication of DNA. This is an intermediate stage in the replication of DNA. So if this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. Okay, and then this is the fourth and this is the fifth. What do I call Kairin theta stage as? Intermediate stage in replication of DNA of bacteria. Who has proposed this? John Kerr. Why do we call it so? Because it resembles letter theta. What is this all about? Replication of bacteria. When will a bacteria replicate? When there are favorable conditions, it reproduces through asexual. What is the one we discussed? Binary fission. Why it is called as theta? The two strands of DNA will separate at a point looking like letter theta, initiating the replication. That's why we call it as can theta model. This can be a JIPMER or a NAMES question, because I am given an extension of concept. I did this.